This is the demonstration on how to put together your learning journal on Adobe Express for media design. When you travel to the Adobe Express webpage, you can go to Google, type in Adobe Express. You can open Creative Cloud if you already subscribed to it, or you can go to new.express.adobe.com. And it'll bring you to this webpage, and you can see that there are lots of different templates, tools, lots of things that we're going to go over in class and how to use. But for today, I'm going to show you how to set up your journal. And the easiest way to do that is you're going to go up to this plus sign and click it. And again, it brings up different sizes. And these are all for different types of media that you can make, but we're going to be making a web page that is updated weekly as you journal. To do that, if you'll just type in web, and then you can go down to web page, and it'll bring up a blank document. And you can add the title it whatever you want. Sometimes the most simple is the best. So I'm going to type in that, and then under the subtitle, you can add your name. And this will be like the header for your learning journal. I'm going to make mine a short cover because I think that, it's better if it's up top and it doesn't take up a lot of room. But what I want you to do is I want you to add a photo. Now, when you click add a photo, it's going to bring up all of these different types of media that are included in Adobe Express. Some are free, some are premium. It kind of just depends on what you have. But for this class, I want you to get used to using your own IP or media that you have created or you've taken. So please upload a picture that you've taken personally, and try to make it something that, reflects who you are. So it doesn't have to be, some deep soul searching type of thing, but just something that says, hey, yeah, this is kind of who I am. I told y'all a little bit that I liked Disney, so I made one. I made sure that the size was relatively small to upload to the internet. You don't want it to be huge because it'll take a long time to load. You can hit open. And it should upload. Yep, there we go. So again, you just want to, make it something simple, something that represents who you are. And then from here, you can start adding. So you can add text. So from there, you can just, add your date, the title of what it is, and then just, start typing. Today we look at the design quickly template layout. I really liked this idea because it allows you to use structure, but also be creative. It doesn't have to be long, a paragraph or two. Always make sure that you're checking your spelling. And then you can add just a photo that shows like, hey, this is what I did as my challenge, or this is something that I liked. All the guidelines are in the post on Blackboard. But from there, you can come in over here and you can change the headlines. You can change how it looks. You can come over here, put alternate text for your picture, all the things, right? Come in and you can add the photos. So I'm just going to upload the same one to show you what it'll look like. So again, there you go. You can add multiple ones, you can put GIFs, all sorts of things. And it just gives you this like idea of learning and, lets you show what you've learned, go back and reflect on it. If you want to see what it'll look like, you can go to the preview. And then what you want to do is you want to go to share. You can publish for the web. Again, you can title Media Design Learning Journal, create link. So it's going to publish this as my project. And this is the web address that you want to copy. and share in Blackboard. Now, when you come up here, and you come back the next week and you're gonna add some things, you'll come in, you'll say, "I wanna add text." And what you wanna do is make sure that you come up here and you will notice that it says, "We noticed you made some changes to your project." It's gonna be like any website or, live link that you share, and so you'll wanna make sure that you publish the changes every week. I will do spot checks throughout the semester to make sure that you are doing this and you're not just making something up at the end. So make sure that you're publishing each week, so I can see live updates.